Hi, my name's Barry Davidson. I'm the Managing Director of Fairgrieve Compression Mouldings. Fairgrieve's was founded back in 1913, so we've got over 110 years of experience and history behind us. The Manufacturing Top 100 is an award for manufacturers and voted for by manufacturers. So it's our very own special club, if you like. So I would like to thank the people who nominated me and the judging panel who selected me for this fantastic award, for which I'm very, very proud. We acquired this company back in the summer of 2021, which had previously been a family-run business for the past 50 years. We needed to switch the focus from being family-run to a more business-led operation driven by profitability, improved efficiencies, and becoming a more customer and market-focused business. In the past 3 years, we've dramatically improved the overall performance of our entire business, including our factory, our office administration, which included purchasing, costing, sales and marketing. On the shop floor, we've transformed the way we work by implementing lean tools like 5S workplace organization, SMED activities and value stream mapping. The best advice I could offer would be talk to as many people as you know who work, including your family, who work in manufacturing. Ask them what it is that they like about manufacturing. What is it that gives them a buzz? And don't be afraid to ask them, what kind of things do they not like doing associated with manufacturing. Also look on YouTube at the many videos posted from manufacturing companies to get a good feel for the sort of environments and what kind of things get made. And if you're still interested in manufacturing after all of that, start putting yourself forward for the roles that interest you the most. I left school at the age of 16 and I've been working in manufacturing for over 47 years. And I love it just as much today as I did when I first started out.